Hi friends, welcome to Tulsi Tech in Creatives. Guys, today class is Git Reset and Git Revert. What is Git Revert and what is Git Dash? Today discuss topic is these are all topics. I will show it. These are all topics in today topics. Git guys, I have already covered in Git all topics. What is Git installation? What is Git? What is branching? What is merge conflict? What is push conflict? What is tagging section? What is rebase? These are all total Git is covered all topics are. Please go through first of all please go through that videos and please watch it and then come to this topic. Today topic is how to undo the working directory changes, how to undo the all files in working directory, what is git reset, how many ways you can do reset, what is using git, what is using in reset types, this is soft and mixed and hard, and what is git revert, how to revert the changes. These are all topics are covered in today. Guys, please careful and observe the carefully. First of all, what is Git? First of all, these two topics are covered in. First of all, then we go to the what is reset and how to use of reset. First of all, open my local Git folder. How to store this folder? Where is the my folder? Is all projects. Open git bash. Open my git bash. Check it the ls-lt here. These are all projects in. I choose this. Check the list of only one file as this. Then go to one step back. Choose this git branching. How many files? These are all 3 files. First, second tagging. Previous also. These are all 2 files. Okay. Anyways, go to the second project. We will create the new files. Create the file one. The some content. This is use of then create the another file, file2.txt. Insert mode, then this is Second project is yeah, adding the all files is a new commit. Store the in histories. Then the window. Then you can open the check the -LTF three files. Once you can modify the first file one. This is extra content. Then save it. Then you can write the file 2 also. Then say open it. You can write this. This scenario also you can a number of files you can add, you can work on the number of files, you can changes the unwanted, you can modify the unwanted content, you can any write the unwanted content. You don't know what is the file, you can write this, you can clear this that wanted content also. You can undo the changes, you can write it how to write this. Use this command git only single file also you can remove this. You can use the git checkout file see one path is indexed. Once you can check it git cat say this. You can write the unwanted content also, you can delete it. Only you can use this. First of all you can write the any content also, that is content also you can store it. Then you can any content also you can write this, that is content was deleted in single file also. Then what is multiple files at a time was deleted. First of all we can show the git status, then git see the cat file 1.txt. see this is a 2 lines of content. Then next file to txt. This is a two lines of content. How to they undo the changes and delete the second line also. You can don't save it, that don't add and commit that file also. You can modify this. I don't know any file are changing and any file are do this. You can use this command git checkout. The particular file also you can write the file name. Then what is the all files also you can write the dot. See once you can check it cat file 1.txt. Only this see is used to some content. This line was display, second line was display. In check out the file to also is used only undo command. Second line was deleted. This is how to undo the working changes and how to all files and working changes. Okay guys, think all understanding guys. Then next, what is reset? Git reset is used to deleting the comments and total files. See, git reset, the term to this stand to undoing changes. The git reset command is used to reset the changes. The git reset command, there are three core form of invention. This is a soft and mixed and hard. Main purpose of using in git reset, you can I'll explain one scenario. This is a git reset scenario. I am working in file one project. This project are number of commit IDs. Stored in number of commit IDs in file like 10, 20. These are like this. One project you can number of files and number of commit IDs, you can commit this all commit IDs. Then once you can delete the particular commit ID. I take this only particular commit ID, I will delete it. Only store this. Once you can use this, delete the particular commit ID, that commit ID, you can take this one, deleted that. You can choice of the your file or your project or can fully you can mention in total all comment, that is not this good. Only few comments are this this file is using that project is using that is, you can delete this. First of all, you can you can use this mixed git reset commit id hyphen mixed. Use this mixed command, you can store the working directory. Once you can take the commit id, you can git reset commit id hyphen mixed. I do the in practical also, don't worry, I will show it the what is what. Then please understand this. Once you can use the mixed command, directly you can store the working directory. Then you can use the soft git reset commit id hyphen stop soft command. You can store the staging area. Once you can take the commit id, you can use the soft command, then store the staging area. Once you can this hard is you can totally delete on your histories also. Okay, once you can use the mixed command, then store the working directly, then use the soft command, you can store the staging area. Once you can have hard using the hard command, then total delete the local history also, you can delete it in totally. Okay guys, you can understand this. Then go to practical also, what is using on soft and mixed and hard, I will show that. First of all, check is how many files are, what is many files history of the commit IDs. Only two commit IDs I will take the another two. Then another file. How many comments are stored? See this. See this. These four commits are stored. I will create the another one also. So this, oh, these are all five comments also. And first of all, use of what is git soft. Git soft is using this command. Delete once you can delete the file and show the store in staging area. And so observe this. First of all, using the soft command, once you can use the soft command, then you can delete the your commit ID. Then you can store the your staging area. I will show it. What is first of all git reset. Uh, I will use the this commit ID. See 6125. Paste it here. Then hyphen soft. See, you can delete it the this command. You can delete the new commit ID. Once where the store, you can check it git status. Green color means you can remember this first of all. What is red color, what is green color, I will explain it. Green color means you can store the, see, green color means you can store the staging area. Red color means you can store the untracked files and working directory. Okay, remember, you understand guys what is soft command, how to use soft command. Check the ls-ltr. Files are, you can only, files are 1 2 3 4 5 6. Can store all files in local repository. Only deleted in your commit IDs only. Then only 4 commit IDs you can display it. Then what is git? What is git mixed command? Git mixed is used commit ID. This used command deleting the file and choose the store in working file. Once you can use the mixed command, you can delete the commit ID. You can store in your working directory. Git reset hyphen mixed. Once deleted, check this. See, this committed was on head of the, you can delete it. In new commit you can display the this was new commit. Once you can head of the your commit ID was deleted. Then check it with the store git status. See, can 4 and file staging area what the file also. Once use this command. What command I will use this? First of all, check this. These are all 4. Git reset mixed hyphen mixed. Okay, I will use this commit ID. Git reset. Paste it here. You can enter this. Check this. Can delete it. Then it is a new commit ID. Then git status can stored in git file 3, you can store in untracked file. Okay, then you can add this one, retrieve these commands, you can add and commit this commit. Also you can use this -i modified comments. Okay guys, understanding what is what, then using hard. What is the use of hard command also? I will create the one file. Git git reset is commit id using what is now is deleted. Can store this. What is the status of git status? Nothing to add. See this? Can deleted and permanently in your histories once you can add the hard command. Okay guys, observe this. What is out, what is mixed, what is hard. I will store the all comments also in your chat box also, and then description also I will share it. We will go through what is what. Okay, then last topic is what is revert and how to revert the changes. What is revert? Once you can create one file and add, I will show the diagram also. Sorry. Okay, see what is revert. This is a one project. One project. This project you can create the number of files and folders. You can create this. Then you can add the files and commit the files and push the central repository. Once you can push this, we can any modification you can changes, you can use this pull command also. You know already pull command, that is pull command. You can store the indirectly in working directory. This rivet command used to, once you can rivet command, you can retrieve the local histories. Then you can display the VA editor, open the VA editor. You can any changes or modification you can write this. You can commit message also, you can display this all the in local histories also only. Can don't store the in local untracked files and staging area, that is not the store in revert message, only stored in your local histories also. That is you can use the revert command. I will show the practical also what is what revert this. Okay, once you can check the how many files, these are number of files using this. Okay, I will check the git log also. Okay, modify the vi file 1, git status, what is then modified. These are all 4 commit IDs. Then push git remote repository in all commit IDs. Take some time. Okay, it's done in all the commit IDs you can store in central repository. Then what is the use of rivet command? I will show it, or how to use a rivet command. Then okay, clear the command git log --- one line. Okay, this is a modified file, this is a new commit ID. You can take this commit ID, you can copy this. Once you can take this, that commit ID also, you can revert the central to local. Then you can don't display the in staging area in working directory. That is only you can directly you can store in local histories also. How to this git git revert paste the commit ID. See, okay. See this, can display the editor. You can remove the commit ID. You can any display. You can write the any new commit message. This is new commit message. Then save it. See, first of all check it, git status, nothing else, don't store it this, git log one line. See, can display the commit message is same, then commit message is same, commit ID is same, then commit message is extra, and commit ID is, then commit ID was extra. This commit ID was extra, only stored in local histories only. Then stored in working staging, that is not there. That command using git pull command, once you can pull this central to local, use this pull command, that is stored in working directory. Once you can revert means you can store, once you can store the central repository, once you can revert that file also using revert, and that commit ID you can paste it here, then revert message you can store them directly in your histories. That is concept of revert. I will show these commands also. Shared in description all documents, and please go through this. All git topics are covered, so only one topic is pending, and tomorrow I will cover this git stash also. Git stash, what is stash, what is git stash pop command, that is only small topics, only 10 minutes I will discuss tomorrow. Then please go through the all topics, and any ideas, any suggestions, please go through the comment section, and I will mention my WhatsApp number also. Please go through the WhatsApp number. Okay guys, thank you, bye. Please like and share and subscribe this channel. Thank you guys, bye.